I'm Liane Jackson, Senior Law Editor at Forbes, and today I am joined by Professor of National Security Law Claire Finkelstein at the University of Pennsylvania Law School. She's also the Faculty Director of the Center for Ethics and the Rule of Law. And what's important to know about Professor Finkelstein is that she filed an amicus brief in the immunity case involving President Trump that the former President Trump, that the Supreme Court heard oral arguments on yesterday. So I'm going to turn it over to you, Professor Finkelstein, to give us a little bit more of your thoughts and analysis about how the oral arguments went and what direction you think this is going to take and the impact on the underlying case here.
Well, thanks so much, Liane. It's a pleasure to join you. This is the most significant immunity case that the Supreme Court has heard yet. There aren't a lot of cases, but there are a few very famous cases, like U.S. v. Nixon, on whether or not President Nixon had to turn over the Watergate tapes, or Clinton v. Jones, about whether or not President Clinton had to testify to a jury in the sexual harassment suit by Paula Jones. And then we had Trump v. Vance, about whether or not Cy Vance could subpoena Trump's former accountants for his personal financial records. But this is really the ultimate in immunity cases, because here a former president is claiming that in any matter whatsoever, not in a particular circumstance, not in some kind of minor temporary setting, but across the board and in every case, a president is above the law and cannot be convicted of a crime. And that is such a sweeping claim that if the Supreme Court were to agree with former President Trump, our democracy would literally come crashing down about our ears. So it is really an incredibly important case.